tell me something about yourself?
So myself, Chaladashni. I'm from Namakkal, Tamil Nadu. I did my schooling in Trinity Academy, which is also in Namakkal. I did my graduation in Konga Engineering College, which is in Edo, in the specification of civil engineering. My CGPA is 7.3. Currently, I'm exploring job opportunities in sales. Like my hobbies are reading books, listening to music, watching Netflix, and gardening too. My family have 3 members: myself, my father, and my sister. Uh, that's all about me.
Okay. So my first question to you will be, what is the basic difference between sales and a marketing job?
Sales is like selling a product to a customer. Marketing is like telling the features of the product to the customer, like what it has and that kind of things.
Okay. So what if I offer you a job in marketing domain in Byju's only? So what would you prefer, to go for a sales domain or a marketing domain?
So I'll go for sales, sir.
You'll go for sales domain. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So can you tell me a brief about the job role in Byju's? Because we will assign you a job role of BDA, right? So what is
Yes,
the work pressure of BDA, or what is the exact job role of BDA? Can you give me a brief intro about that?
Okay. In BDA is like sales kind of job. We have target for a month, so we have to achieve the target, and it's like telling the customers about the Byju's app and making them buy the product. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. So now we'll test some sales skills. Okay. So I'll be asking you some sales question. Okay. So try
Okay.
to convince me as a customer. Treat me as a customer. I'll give you some
Okay.
scenarios and try to convince me as a customer. Okay. So my
Okay,
first
sir.
question to you is, suppose I have 5 red t-shirts. Okay. And
Okay,
you are
sir.
a salesperson in a shop where you sell clothes. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
I am there in your shop to buy a yellow t-shirt, might be. Okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
you have to convince
Okay.
me to buy a red t-shirt. I told you
Okay,
already
sir.
that I have 5 with me. Okay. But still you have to
Okay.
convince me to go for a red one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how will
Okay.
you approach?
So first of all, I'll tell them like this red t-shirt is like branded t-shirt, which is really good than yellow, and we'll sell it for half the price. So we can go for this rather than yellow.
But I already have 5 t-shirts. So why should I take one more? Because see, I was thinking to make a switch because I have 5 red
Okay.
t-shirts. So whenever I go to a function, I only have red to wear. So I was thinking to have a yellow t-shirt also, so that I can make a
Okay.
switch whenever I go
Okay.
somewhere, right?
Okay. This t-shirt is kind of this t-shirt is different from any other t-shirt. It has a collar which is really new, which have been introduced in the market now. So it will be more good more than that all the red t-shirts you have.
Okay. But still, I'm not willing to buy red t-shirt because I made my mind to buy a yellow t-shirt, right? And now suddenly you are telling me to go and make a switch for a red t-shirt. I don't want to make it. I
Okay.
want to go for a red one, like yellow one only.
So yellow rather than yellow, red will be really good for you, and we have offering you an offer of half the price, right? So it is a branded t-shirt and you're buying it for half price. So why not to try this, and it will be really good for you more than yellow.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I have next question for you. Suppose if I am
Okay.
wearing a specs, right now, and
Okay,
you are
sir.
also wearing a specs. So I
Yeah.
want you to convince me to buy your specs.
Okay. Okay. I have specs like in the specs I have an option like which is friendly to mobiles and computers. It will not pass the rays from computers to eye directly. It will protect your eyes. That it has such kind of layer in this, so you can buy my specs rather than using your specs, and it will be really good
But I
for your
have the
eyes.
same one. I actually have the same one. This is also like blue cut rays glasses, right? So this is also for computers basically. Okay. So
Okay.
whatever
Okay.
the features which you told me right now, I have the same features with me in this particular specs. So why should
Okay.
I go for yours? I have one, right? I am using one. I
Okay.
have one spare one also. Okay.
Okay.
So why should I go for
Uh,
your specs?
Okay. This specs is completely different from yours. The shape is completely different from yours. So it will be really good for
Okay.
you more than what you're wearing now. So I think it will be good for your eyes. You look really good in the specs. So you can buy this.
Okay, but I'm comfortable with mine. Like I don't want to make a switch. This is very convenient. This is flexible. The stick which it's having now is a flexible
Yeah,
stick actually.
yeah.
So
Here also
like
we
I'm
have to.
convenient. I'm comfortable with that. I don't want to
So
make a
it
switch.
will.
If everything
Okay.
is same, why should I
Okay,
make
it
a
will be
switch?
really good for you. Like everything is same, but it will be really good looking for you more than what you're wearing now. So I think it will be really good when you wear, and somebody will like compliment you when you wear this fit. So you can go for this.
Okay. Okay. I have next question for you. Suppose you are
Okay,
a seller, a salesperson in a toy showroom. Okay.
okay,
And you have a remote control car. Okay. The
okay,
car is of three. One is of 100 rupees, a small car. Then you have a medium range car of 300 rupees. Okay.
okay,
Then you have a higher range car of 500 rupees. Okay. There are three varieties:
okay.
100, 300, and 500. Okay. So I want
Fine.
to buy rupees 500 car. Okay. But you have to convince me to buy a car of medium range of rupees 300. Okay.
Okay,
So how will you convince me to go for a lower range car? Because I am willing, I told you already, to pack a car which is of rupees 500. Okay. But now
okay.
you have to convince me to buy a car of rupees 300. So how will you convince me?
So more than that, you have more options in this car. You can easily carry it anywhere. So you can easily use it for your child. You can give it to child. It was like child friendly. He can use it whenever he want. He can also carry him wherever he go. So it will be really good for you.
You are right actually. But see, I told you na, my child is very naughty. So he demanded for a big car, right? So I was going for a rupees 500 rupees car so that he can get a big car and it will have all the features which you have in medium range car, right? So I was thinking like that why not to invest rupees 200 extra for this particular car and we'll get same features actually, right?
Okay.
And we'll have a modern car, we'll have a big car, right? So he'll be
Yeah.
happy. But I'll gift him to my child. Definitely he'll be happy with the car, right? So why should I go for a lower range car?
Okay. Here, sir, in this car, like we have all the options, which is in the 500 rupees car, in also in 300 rupees car. So you don't wanted to buy that 500 rupees car. It was quite small, but it has all the options whichever in the 500 rupees car have. So we can go for this rather than buying the 500 rupees car.
So you are making your own loss, right? You have your
Yes.
own shop, you have three varieties of car, and you are trying to convince me for a lower range car. That means you are making your loss, right? So why you are
Yeah.
making
Yeah.
your loss? I am going for a higher
So
range car. Why do you want to make your loss?
it was like we have a lot of products in lower end product because it was highest selling product in the market. The customer will buy 300 rupees car because it has all the features what the 500 rupees car have. So I think this will be good for you.
Okay. Suppose I am a rickshaw puller. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to sell me a Audi. Okay. If I am coming to a Audi showroom, okay. So
Okay.
you're a salesperson in an Audi showroom, right? So you
Okay.
have to sell me a Audi. My
Okay.
monthly earning is rupees 5,000. I earn maximum of 5,000 rupees per month. Okay. And you have to sell me a Audi. Okay. So how will you convince me?
Okay. So here is a product like you can make it in an EMI also. So this is the car. You can make it as a cab also in this product. Rather than rickshaw, you can buy
Ma'am,
this
you are
product.
trying, ma'am, you are trying to convince me to buy a Audi. Ma'am, do you know the price of Audi? Can you can you just imagine that will it be able to will I be able to afford the Audi? The price range is so high, I cannot even think of Audi. And you are trying to convince me to buy a Audi.
Yeah.
Matlab,
Yeah.
what plans do you have?
What plans? I can't get you, sir.
Like what plans do you have for me for EMI plans or for down payment plans? Like I already told you, my monthly earning is rupees 5,000, right? So it is not possible for me
Okay.
to
Okay.
pay a huge amount of 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs, right? And an Audi starts
Okay.
from 40 lakh rupees, I guess,
Okay.
right? So
You,
how will I be able to pay this particular amount? Be it
okay. You can
EMIs,
have.
be it down payment, anything.
Okay. We will offer you a lowest EMI option where you can pay the EMI which is really low. It can be affordable for you also.
Okay. So what is the lowest EMI do you have?
It is around 4,000 rupees.
4,000 per month.
Yeah,
And what is the cost of your car?
it's like 40 lakhs.
40 lakhs. Okay. So for how many years will you take EMIs from me?
It will be around, I think it will be around 10 years.
Okay, 10 years.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because you told
Yeah.
4,000 rupees, right? So 12 for the 48. So in a year, I am paying 50,000 rupees, right? So
Okay.
in 10 years, I would be paying 5 lakh rupees. So
Okay.
how come you made the calculation of 40 lakh rupees in 10 years?
So when you started earning more than rickshaw, you can pay that amount so that you can pay the amount full.
Ma'am, even I am not sure when I'll earn more, because from past 30 years, I am doing the same job, right? So now even I am not sure if I'll make a switch of my job or if I'll have some more money in future. I'm not sure about anything.
Okay. Sir, if you take a cab like this, you will definitely get a good customer. So you will definitely earn more rather than what you have earned in rickshaw. So you can definitely go for this.
I got your point. But how to pay the down payment? You might be having a down payment scheme, right? I have to pay something. I cannot go without paying anything, right? If I'm buying a Audi, right? So how will I pay the amount, the down payment amount? EMIs is okay. Leave the EMI. But tell about a down payment, ma'am.
Okay.
How is down payment amount? It is not possible for me to pay right now, right?
Yeah, you're not. Yeah. Uh, so you can take loan to pay the down payment.
Ma'am, I don't have anything of mine. I'm living in a rented house. Okay. I earn per day, I eat per day. It's as simple as that,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
for on what behalf will I take loan? I don't have anything of mine. How will I get loan? Will a bank give me a loan by seeing my face? Do you think that?
Yeah, you have a plan, right? Like you have a plan that you'll buy a Audi car and you'll make a money of it. So some banks are giving loan regarding that, regarding your plans, right? What you are going to do.
But they would be asking some mortgage, right? They would be asking me to submit something on behalf of that. I don't have anything to submit, right?
Yeah.
So how can I go for this?
Uh,
Okay, no issues. We'll make a switch of the
okay.
question and ask you next question. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
I am a Brahmin, okay,
Okay.
and you have to sell me a fish.
Okay.
So how will you convince me?
Okay. So here are the fishes. You can see here. I know you will not eat fish, but your friends or your family members will eat fish. Okay. So you can buy the fish,
I'm sorry,
and I
my
have
family, my family. You told my family,
yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
My complete family is a Brahmin, so no one eats fish. Even I can
It's not
talk
like
about fish also. They do not talk about fish also. They will not take the name of
okay.
the fish also.
Okay.
So the situation is like this.
Okay. Uh, uh, if your family do not eat fish means you can give it to your friends. Definitely one of your friends will eat fish. Okay. If you are not going to buy the fish, you can buy fortune fishes, which will be added beauty in your home. So you can buy the fortune fishes. You can see a lot of fishes here, right?
I got your point, but why to buy for friends? They can buy for themselves, right? If they eat fish, they have the capability to buy also. So they'll buy for themselves. Why should I gift a fish? I'll gift a bigger item of bigger prize money, right? Why to gift a fish?
Okay, they will not get this kind of fishes anywhere else. You're seeing this now. They will not get anywhere else. So you can buy them and give them a fish. It's not like gift. You can offer them a fish.
Okay, cool. Now we'll have some
Okay.
academic questions. Okay, so try to
Okay.
give me from best of your knowledge, whatever you know about that. Right?
Okay. Okay.
So my first question to you is, what is Newtonian law?
So I can't get you, sir.
What is Newton's second law?
For every force, there is a equal and opposite reaction.
Second law. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the third one?
I'm not sure about that, sir.
Okay, cool. Have you heard about the equation E is equals to mc square?
Yes, sir.
So whose equation is this? What is the name of the theory?
Sir, I'm not sure. I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is the difference between ratio and fraction?
Okay, ratio is like differentiating things like how this much, how this have and how that much, that's that thing. Fraction is not like differentiating things. It's like a
Is
whole.
it? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the actual color of sun?
It's yellow.
Yellow, so it seems to us. What is the actual color?
It's yellow,
Don't
sir.
know. Okay. Okay. So now we'll have some like sales questions. Okay. So consider
Okay.
yourself that you got the job for BDA role. Okay. And I'm your customer. You're a salesperson in Byju's. Okay. My
Okay.
first question to you is, I asked you some academic questions, right? And you're not able to
Yeah.
answer that questions, right?
Yeah.
So my concern is that you are the face of Byju's, right? I do not know Byju's. I know only you because you are here to sell me Byju's product, right? So
Yeah.
if you don't know the answer of simple questions, which are of class 4th and 5th, right? So how can I trust Byju's as a brand?
Okay. It's not like me. Byju's is the largest selling, largest growing edtech company in India. So, it has a really good competition than more ads which are available in the market. It will be really good for your child.
No, good is okay. But see, I asked you some simple questions, right? And you failed to answer those, right?
Yeah.
So if suppose this happens in the application also, if suppose I'm buying the application and teachers are also the same like you, then what about my child's career, my child's future? It will destroy, right?
Okay. So here, yeah, I'm a salesperson. I'm not the one who are creating content in the app. Yeah, I'm the salesperson. So I'll sell the product, but the content makers are really high-tech content makers, which Byju's are offering. Okay. So it will not be like me. It will be more than anything you think.
Ma'am, but still basic questions you should know, right? I'm asking you simple questions of class 4th and 5th, right? So you should know the basic questions. I'm not giving you a difficult situations, right? My questions are quite simple to understand, right? So then you should have the answers of that questions, right? Because I know you only. I am in contact with you only. So
Yeah.
if you are not the one who can answer the question, definitely I'll have some trust issues with Byju's, right? So the problem is with trust issues. I don't have trust regarding this. Okay.
Okay.
That is the concern.
Okay. You know what? I don't have that option of visualizing things and reading in my class of 5th standard or 6th standard. Okay, your child has got that kind of options. He has a lot of options. He can read in Byju's. He can spend 1 hour in a day and he can learn a lot more concepts than you think. He will not be really like me. He will be more than me. Okay, he will learn a lot of things. He'll learn a lot of concepts. Okay, he has that opportunity. Please don't miss that.
Okay. My next question to you is: suppose my child is a PUBG lover. Okay, he likes to play PUBG a lot. Okay, so as you have a tablet learning program, right? So then once you'll have the tablet, once I'll give him tablet, definitely he'll play games. He'll play PUBG, right? So what is the benefit of taking the application?
Okay. Here are the two things. Like in our Byju's tablet, we used to lock all the apps rather than Byju's. Okay. He can only go for Byju's. He don't have time to. He don't have option to go some other apps. Okay, that's one thing. And the second thing, Byju's are offering PUBG kind of things for the people who love PUBG, who love to play PUBG. When you play PUBG, when you can easily unlock the app and you can go and read in that. It will be really interesting for your child.
So Byju's is giving the opportunity to play PUBG. Like it is giving me an option to play PUBG.
Yeah, it is giving me an option to unlock the app while playing PUBG. Okay.
So I
It will
don't
be
want. That's
really
what I told you, that I don't want him to play PUBG because I am giving him to learn right from the
okay.
application. So if
Okay.
he
If
is
you
playing
don't,
PUBG,
okay.
yes,
If you don't want means we will offer you a tab that will not have PUBG. We can, he don't have access to any other apps. We will log all the apps. He can access only Byju's. Okay. So there is no problem in playing PUBG.
okay, cool. Okay, so my next question to you is: suppose my child is having an eyesight issue, right? He is
Okay.
also wearing a spec like you and me, right? So if he using the application for in a day for 2, 3, 4 hours, right? Then it will
Okay.
be a problematic situation for him. He might lose his eyesight in future. He might damage his retina of eyes, right?
Okay.
So why should I take
Okay.
Byju's?
In Byju's we have option like learning for 1 hour a day. Okay. You don't have to spend a lot of time like you are spending in schools. Within 1 hour, you can learn a lot of concepts. If he is not feasible of using app by seeing means, he can on the audio and hear it by visualizing the things. It will be really good for him.
Okay, but do you think will audio work? Like by listening to audio, will he be able to learn things very well? Because I think that visualizing things means to see videos. Because without seeing, suppose if I'm giving you example, suppose if I'm watching a movie, okay, if I turn
Okay.
off the video, I'm only listening to audio. Do you think I can enjoy the movie? No, I cannot, right? Because
Yeah.
we believe in visuals, right?
Yeah.
So that is the reason that if he turns off the video and if he's only listening to audio, then definitely he might be facing issues, right? The concept will
Yeah.
not be cleared, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
It's
that is
like
my point.
you're learning it for an hour, right? It will not affect your eyesight so far like you're learning it in school. Like for 8 hours you are learning, right? It will offer you only for 1 hour. It's quite a low time. So he can use it and it will be really good for him. It is also eye friendly.
It's eye friendly. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose if my child is I have two child, suppose, okay, and my elder child is going to resonance coaching, okay, and he's scoring a very good marks in resonance, okay,
Okay.
and he's suggesting me to for my younger child also that Papa, please make him to learn from resonance. It is a very good
Okay.
coaching, and he'll have a great career if he learns from resonance. Okay, so why do I choose Byju's over resonance?
Resonance is also a good option, but Byju's are offering more options than Resonance. Like, it's like visualizing things. A lot of people are achieving even from Byju's, not only from Resonance. Okay, many career growth you have in Byju's also. So you don't have to like. It will be really good. It has more features than Resonance. It is like you can use it anywhere and anytime. It's like parent friendly and as well as student friendly, and a mentor will monitor your child anytime. So it has more features than Resonance. Yeah, yes, sir.
Suppose if I have the application and within 15 days I am returning it to you. I said that I have the issue with the application. It is not up to the mark. Okay. So
Okay.
how will you stop me to return the product?
Okay. Like I'll make him whatever the problem he have, and I'll try to rectify it from.
Okay. The problem is that my child is in class 4. Okay.
Okay.
And he has social science, Hindi also in his curriculum. Okay.
Okay.
But Byju's only provide maths and English classes. Okay. And science. Okay.
Yeah.
So the issue is that I am not getting all subjects. So why should I go for Byju's? I'll hire a home tutor, right?
I think you don't want to have home tutor because Byju's offering you all things and he can use it anytime whenever he is feasible of using it. So whenever he is in the mood of studying, he can use it. A home tutor means he wanted to come home at the time you want to learn things. Okay. In Byju's, we have a special option. We can use it anytime. Okay.
So what about social science, Hindi, computer, all these subjects? You don't offer
Okay.
these, right? So where should I go for
Yeah.
these subjects?
Yeah, English, science, and maths are the three important subjects which we will learn until our engineering, like until anything we go. Okay, it will be the core subject. So rather than using Byju's app. Why Byju's app, which offers you these three subjects? Why are you going for Hindi and such kind of things? It will be really good and okay.
Because see, he is weak in Hindi. He is weak in Hindi, social science. He is good in math. He is good in science. But the issue is with social science and Hindi. That's why I'm more concerned about those subjects.
Okay.
So how to rectify
It's
that?
like Byju's will give you more things which will make him to learn more about the subject. Okay, rather than listening to in schools and making good marks, it will give you more than that. It will make the concept remember forever, right? So you can go for this Hindi, social science and all. You can. It's not a core subject, right? You don't have to score high marks in Hindi and social science. Okay, maths and science are the very important subject you wanted to learn. It will be the core subject for any field you go. So this will be really useful for you more than going for Hindi, social science and all.
Okay, cool. So I think we're done with the interview. Okay, I got all the answers which I required. Okay, so now we'll proceed with the feedback session. Okay,